Here's how to make a grid in Affinity Designer. Go to the View tab at the top and click Grid and Axis. Click Show Grid to display a basic grid immediately on your canvas. To customize it, look at the Mode dropdown. It defaults to Automatic, but switching to Basic unlocks full manual control. From here, you can adjust the spacing exactly how you want, set the number of divisions, and control the opacity to make the grid lines as visible or subtle as you prefer. For more advanced control, click the Advanced option, where you can select different grid types and customize them in detail. There is also a cube type available, which lets you create three-dimensional grids for more complex layouts. Most projects only need the automatic or basic modes, but advanced and cube are there whenever a project calls for something more specific. Once you're happy with your settings, click the Close tab and your customized grid will display on your canvas, ready to use for precise alignment. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.